I love Matrak because it's efficient, it's simple, and it's easy to use.
Hickory is one of Australia's fastest growing construction firms, delivering large-scale commercial, residential and mixed-use projects. With a team of over 1,000, they're currently delivering high-profile projects such as the Regatta at Collins Wharf and Park Quarter in Melbourne. In order to support the rapid growth while maintaining high standards, Hickory has a strategy to continually invest in digital products and solutions.
I think when I first started, we had 4 construction projects on the book. Now we're at, 14 active projects concurrently, much larger projects. When you have 3 or 4 projects that you're tracking, it's probably manageable on Excel. When you've got 14 projects, it's really difficult to do that. It's really difficult to compare against projects. It's really difficult to have a standard way of reporting. With facade projects in particular, when you throw international supply chain into the mix, that's where, definitely need a system to help manage that. And Matrak was a tool we used.
With many projects running concurrently, coupled with overseas manufacturing, it's a significant challenge to track thousands of components across borders, from factory floor to installation and final quality inspection.
With our facade panels, we manufacture them from China, bring them here. At every stage, we have to be able to find out where they are.
We need to track the materials into the container onto the ship.
And to be able to install them and conduct our own quality assurance. We do all that through Matrak.
Now the site teams can operate within Matrak. All of that data flows through to the manufacturer's systems. As they're manufacturing those products, it flows back into Matrak.
With my phone, I can pull it out and I can tell you information about the windows or about our precast concrete. So almost any stage of the building and any element, I can tell you straight away what's going on. There's no delays, it's all real time, and I can track anything, anywhere at any time.
Just the app itself, it's intuitive. It's been built for people in the field.
I love going out, being able to do what I have to do quickly and then present it to the client or my boss in a way that's very clear, collected and simple.
You get the visibility into the drawings and the plan view much easier than looking at a spreadsheet with 10,000 rows. You don't need to wait until something has happened on site or there's been a delay that's been caused. Because you're able to identify those things much earlier in the workflow.
By connecting their global supply chain and site teams through Matrak, Hickory isn't just managing complexity, they're turning it into a competitive advantage. With real-time data, complete visibility, and effortless collaboration, they're delivering faster, smarter, and at scale, without compromising on quality. Find out how Matrak can help you stay ahead.